Welcome. This is Dr. Ralph Esposito. Next, we have the network maps. This is actually probably one of my favorite parts, mostly because we have a real-life application of this individual's SNP makeup based on the whole one-carbon metabolism. So we can show patients the MTHFR cycle and folic acid and B12 cycle till we're blue in the face, but the missing piece is where does my genomic data fit into this? And this is exactly what we do. So we basically plug and play the patient's individual SNP data into this network map, and it shows you where there might be some bottlenecking. So we can see here, there's several heterozygous, so MTHFR might not be the biggest issue, but perhaps it's up to MTRR or MTR, which are responsible for the recycling of 5-methyl tetrahydrofolate. So MTHFR might not be the issue, as we see here, but actually it might be the recycling of it. And this is a very complex map for the patient to understand, but it provides you everything as a whole, everything within a context. And you can see here, it also provides things that inhibit certain enzymes, such as alcohol, or it provides you certain cofactors, such as vitamin B9, which is folic acid or folate, and vitamin B6, and vitamin B2, like riboflavin. So it provides the patient with a context of why are we doing what we're doing, and it gives the practitioner a very precise approach of saying, let's just say that this was homozygous for high risk, and it was completely full to the orange. We would see that perhaps you want to give this person B2 because it allows you to upregulate activity of this enzyme as it relies on B2. Therefore, more B2 may improve function. We have a lot of these gray squares here, which basically indicate that there is no risk. So the patient does not contain any of the risk alleles there. The yellow would be heterozygous, and the orange would be the homozygous risk. And the farthest that it is filled up tells you how many SNPs are impacted by that. And you can see this one here for MTR, several of them are orange, so homozygous risk, and other SNPs are no risk or have a null allele. And now we go to the natural products. And what you see here is that these are the top natural products that may be worthy of attention for the patient.